smells like something is baking.
Is it a cake?
Is it a pie? No, it's muffins.
Do you know who baked them?
Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
I don't think I know him. Do you?
Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
He makes the best muffins in town.
He has a tray of blueberry, of blueberry, of blueberry. He has a tray of blueberry fresh out of the oven door.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. He has some chocolate chip as well, chip as well, chip as well. He has some chocolate chip as well, and maybe a dozen more.
Let's help him bake.
Mix the batter.
Mix, pour it in the pan.
Pour.
Put it in the oven.
Push.
And tick tock, ding.
Now two of us know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Now all of us know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Who lives on Drury Lane?
Can I have a pumpkin muffin, please?
Thank you, Muffin Man!
Crunch.